This is a not so big house, all on one level. It's set back from the road and it has a gorgeous secret garden. I'm Laurel Guy and I want to welcome you to 411 Warren Road. This mid-century modern, built in 1954 and beautifully updated, is just around the corner from Cornell and shopping. It has a fenced private backyard with beautiful butterfly gardens filled with native plants, and it's just a bird lover's paradise too. A thoughtful, well-designed layout, a stone fireplace, hardwood floors, and mini-split heating and cooling throughout. There's built-in bookcases, 2 good-sized bedrooms, and an updated tile bath. 411 Warren Road. It's not too big, it's not too small. It may be just right for you.